UFC bantamweight division. Introducing first, fighting out of the blue corner. This woman is a mixed martial artist, holding a professional record of 8 wins, no losses. Standing 5 feet 6 inches tall, weighing in at 135 pounds. Fighting from Brookfield, Colorado, USA, Alpha Cat Zingano. And now, introducing her opponent, fighting out of the red corner. This woman is a mixed martial artist holding a professional record of 14 wins, 5 losses. Standing 5 feet 6 inches tall, weighing in at 135 pounds. Fighting from Yakima, Washington, USA, Miesha Cupcake Tate. And when the action begins, referee in charge, Yves Levine.
And our referee is Yves Levine.
Ready?
Here we go. Fight scheduled for 3 5-minute rounds. Purple trunks for Zingano. Pink trunks for Tate. Solid uppercut. Zingano with a strong front kick to the body.
And there's another one.
Both fighters came ready to go tonight.
Very nice combination.
Zingano with the left hook to the body. Joe, that's a nice leg kick.
Clean right hand. Nice Superman punch. 1-2 connects. They lock up the clinch.
Nice knee.
Locks in the Muay Thai clinch.
Big knee.
Oh, nice knee.
And again the knee.
Nice knee to the body. Very nice. Struggling for position in the clinch.
Tate with another knee.
Exchanging knees here in the clinch.
Those are some good knees. She works from the over-under here.
Battle for position here.
And she scores a single leg takedown. Half guard here.
Great work from the top by Tate.
Wow. Back up to the feet.
Nice leg kick. Tate with the 1-2. Good defense and a left hook counter.
They're trading blows here. What an exchange. Big punch.
Nice kick to the body.
Big shot to the head. She's stunned. She's hurt. Oh!
She's down. That shot dropped her. Powerful hook. Damaging knees.
Another clean knee lands. She secures double underhooks here.
They separate from the clinch. Zingano gets caught with a kick.
Beautiful elbow. Head kick.
Nicely done.
Hard hook.
Both fighters throwing with reckless abandon. That's a huge
That's some
suplex.
wrestling right there.
45 seconds.
Huge takedown. That's
takedown,
great
man.
technique and power. Zingano goes into the north-south. We are right back into side control. Zingano got caught by that left. Half guard. Good connection with the left by Zingano.
Half guard.
That's the end of round number 1. A huge round and a vicious knockdown from Cat Zingano.
Huge knockdown and very close to stopping that fight, I should add.
Don't change a thing. Keep the pace. Keep setting up.
Let's take another look at some of the action from that round. Here's a solid elbow to the head that lands. And here a perfectly placed punch results in a knockdown. Here's a nasty elbow that lands.
The lovely Brittany getting us set for round number 2.
You ready? You ready?
Round 2. Nice kick.
Good left hook by Tate.
Nice Superman punch.
As we track the fight, take a look at the knockdown slam.
Oh, nice.
Good combination.
What an exchange. Beautiful hook.
She's got the Muay Thai plum.
Battle for control here.
Back to over-under. She's got double underhooks here.
Continuously using the shoulder as a weapon.
Now the fight's back in over-under control. Good move to use the foot stomp.
Really working hard.
Nice knees.
Tate gets the tie clinch here.
Nice knee. Oh!
Again with the knees.
Good knees inside by both fighters.
Struggling to get to clinch.
Big Superman punch.
Nice.
Huge block. That was a big kick to the body. Huge takedown.
Beautiful
What a
takedown.
suplex.
Oh, good left hand. Nice shot to the head.
Tried to get to side control there.
Zingano with the right that connects. She's back up.
Trading strikes here. Oh, very nice.
Good defense with the parry. Zingano counters with a jab. Wow! Oh, that hook did damage.
Superman punch.
Zingano's kick is blocked.
Blood dripping. Battle continues.
Oh, big head kick.
Joe.
Wow!
Oh, beautiful hook. The Superman jab.
Again with the Superman punch. Tate with the good inside leg kick. Big roundhouse kick.
Oh, huge suplex.
Zingano with the good punch. She's working from half guard.
Good shot to the head.
Oh, nice right hand.
Man, that cut has just gotten worse and worse. And now she is really bleeding. They need to bring the doctor in to take a look at that cut.
Let's take a look at some of the action in that round. And here's a nice shot, lands perfectly. And here's another clean shot that lands. And another perfectly placed strike.
The lovely Ariani here tonight inside Prudential Center in Newark, New Jersey.
Gotta go. You ready? You ready?
5 minutes remains in the fight.
Joe, that was a good round we just saw. It'll be very interesting to see if the fighters can keep this pace though.
I think they will keep this pace. I think they're actually going to probably start turning it up a notch as we head down the home stretch.
Tate with the good right hand. That left misses. Big right hook.
Who will impose their will from the clinch?
Let's take a look at the striking accuracy for Kat Zingano, landing 76% of her total strikes.
Good battle inside.
Nice knees.
She's been able to earn the tie clinch. Tate with a nice knee to the body. Vicious knees.
Just like that. Keep busy in the clinch.
Superman punch.
Good uppercut.
Superman punch.
And another one lands to the head.
What a back-and-forth battle.
Big Superman punch. Oh, my goodness.
3 minutes remain in this third and final round. Good block, straight count. Mixing it up.
Spinning elbow. Nice. Superman punch.
She's looking to throw that kick. Be ready. Come on, let's go. Attack that.
Swing and a miss with the right hook. Powerful strikes.
Very nice.
Good defense and the jab on the counter.
Head kick.
Boom with the uppercut. That punch had knockout written all over it. Wow, that's a big head kick.
Hard hook.
Superman punch. Good kick by Zingano.
Very nice kicks. Oh.
That's a nice hook to the head. Tate with the double.
And back up again.
That is a great
That's some
suplex.
wrestling right there.
Powerful. Zingano with a good connection.
Trying to rain down some strikes. Moves to half guard.
Zingano gets back up again. Big front kick
to the
landed.
face. Looking to finish his another one.
Wow! Whoa!
Big right hand. Big shot. That's
It
it.
is all
That's
over.
it. TKO.
Kat Zingano wins by TKO.
Big TKO win late in the fight. Let's take one more look at the end of the fight here. This is a vicious series of strikes, ground and pound, that lead up to the TKO. We can see it here from another look. These are clean shots that are getting in over and over again, ground and pound for the TKO finish.
Ladies and gentlemen, referee Yves Levine has called a stop to this contest at 4 minutes, 53 seconds of round number 3. Declaring the winner by TKO, Alpha Kat Zingano.
Alpha Kat Zingano wins tonight by TKO.